the crowning of our own queen, a symbol of grace, elegance, and leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, let's witness the entrance of our Beauties 2024. Let's start with
Second Princess, Jessa M. Ilanan, a daughter of Mr. Romeo Ilanan and Mrs. Binulu Ilanan. Our second princess is an 18-year-old student of grade 12 at the Las Caveras National High School. It will change. Jessa Ilanan.
And ladies and gentlemen, we have our first lady princess. Our first lady princess is Hanaki Consort. And daughter of Mr. Ariel Consort and Mrs. P. Consort. Our first lady princess is 18 years old and currently a grade 12 student at Tomas B. Rivera National High School. And her ambition in life, she wants to become a successful nurse someday. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to our first Lady Princess, Miss Hannah Kim Bunso. Let's welcome our Her Majesty Lady Queen 2024, Miss Ariane Cortez. Miss Ariane Cortez is from Ricoto Coyan Masbate, a daughter of Mr. Edito Cortez and Mrs. Edith Cortez. She is 40 years old, a grade 7 student at Western Masbate Municipal College. And her ambition in life is she wants to become a successful flight attendant someday. And ladies and gentlemen, our Her Majesty Lady Queen 2024 is Miss Ariane Cortez. A round of applause, please. And we are inviting everyone to please stand. And let us have our prayer by Mrs. Emma Bisanoro, Ricordo Chapel Network. And please be standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, singing conducted by Mrs. Coralie A. Andres, our kindergarten teacher.
Ipinutang ko lang ang ugali mo sa Presidente sa Panginoon. Sa ngalan sa Kamangka, ng sa Espiritu Santo. Amen. Ako lang itong makakana niya kami karoon sa among ligasyon sa Upanisyon. Nakamoy kami kanino, Ginoo, makunda, ang panalangin kami sa inyong among mga kalimukan, o kamintanan, pagkahilusan namin sa among panangyaring tulo. Ayon, magbalambo ko ng puso, ipatibang ang among pa, at kami pagkahilusan. Amahan ko, wala kang nahimo tumalog ikaw ang pagkakanahan mo. Sa kanan, sa Kristo ang Ginoo, o sa Espiritu Santo, Diyos na usa, hangtod sa kamungturan. Amen. Sa ngalan sa mga anak at sa Espiritu Santo. Amen.
To be the us, we have the parents,
Mrs. Steven Cortez and Miss Mr. Devon Cortez.
and to be assisted by our very own young and generous Municipal Vice Mayor of the Municipality of Kawayan, Honorable Esther C. Pinzon. A round of applause, please. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, we have our Herman.
I feel like a famous talk all the time. They say I'm from there. Yeah, I'm from there.
Congratulations, Miss Aya Cortez. The sister of our first lady princess, Miss Hazel J.
I've been keeping all the letters that I wrote to you. Each one I like to. My baby, how
Thank you so much, Miss Hazel J. Pinzon. And for Herman Just the Degree 2024 is Miss Aya B. Cortez. Boom.
Yeah, I feel just like I'm living someone else's life. It's like I just stepped outside.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Yuremia Bo, and congratulations.
The evidence. A first-year college student of Southern Islamic College. Our Majesty Lady Queen 2019 is taking up a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Studies. She likes dancing, listening to music, and she is also a consistent honor student.
And once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to our Her Majesty the Queen 2019.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, our Majesty Lady Queen 2019 turned over her cake and scepter to our new Majesty Lady Queen, Miss Ariane B. Cortez.
Our Barangay Treasurer, Miss Maria A. Anhap, and Kagawad Roger O. Piloris. Alright, congratulations to our Ilana.
Next, our first lady princess, Miss Irene Conson. And we will promise we will Captain Sanito Andres. President, congratulations to our first lady princess.
And thank you so much to our Barangay Captain Sanito Andres. And now, we have our Her Majesty, Beauty Queen 2024. And to our Electro Queen, we have Kagawa Celso Buok. And Barangay Administrator, Mr. Romnick.
That's our Mr. Majesty Lady Queen 2024, Mina Kagawa Sensubo, and our Barangay Administrator, Mr. Ronin Piyumpo. President, congratulations.
Lady Princess, Miss Jinsa Ilana.
Followed by our first lady princess, Miss Anakin Conson. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our Majesty Lady Queen 2024, Miss Ariane Cortez.
And we have our first princess, our first is our Majesty Queen, Lady Queen 2024. While our ready unit is doing the Royal Arch, we are inviting everyone to open your lechon and start eating slowly. Hinahinay sa pagkaon. Again,
Pwede na po mag-aon. Sige, mag-utog na ako ba?
kanya hinahinay lang na makaabot sa mga ang lechon. And while our ready goodies going the Royal Arch.
Once again, the Royal March of the Reigning Beauties 2024.
A big round of applause, please.
dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you loved a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, you heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found the one stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found the love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own.
Red Angeles, donated 5,000 pesos.
And of course, let's support once again our native blogger from Ricodo, the Team Kapayat Vlog, honored by Sander Brian Kabatanya.
Great thing.
Thank you once again for joining us tonight. On behalf of everyone involved, here, this is Nino A. Casimiro,
And this is Catherine Espauta.
signing off. And we look forward to more moments of joy, camaraderie, and success in the future. Take care and see you next time. Thank you so much and good morning. And now, we have our partner, Dance, Dance, and Dance. So I give the floor to our Barangay Administrator, Mr. Romdek Ombo.